In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove objects from photos in Canva using Canva AI. Whether you want to erase unwanted people in the background, remove logos, clean up distractions, or fix small imperfections, Canva's Magic Eraser tool makes it incredibly simple. The best part is you can do this directly inside Canva without needing advanced photo editing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tips and AI tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and load the photo you want to edit. You can do this by creating a new design or opening an existing project. Once your image is on the canvas, click directly on the photo to select it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. From that top toolbar, click on Edit Photo. This will open Canva's editing panel on the left side, where all the AI tools and adjustments are located. Inside the Edit Photo panel, scroll until you find the Tools section. Under Tools, look for Magic Eraser. This is Canva's AI-powered object removal feature. Go ahead and click on Magic Eraser to activate it. Once selected, your cursor will turn into a brush tool, and you'll see options to adjust the brush size. Now, before you start brushing, take a second to adjust the brush size depending on the object you want to remove. If you're removing something small, like a logo, a stain, or a small background object, use a smaller brush size for better precision. If you're removing something larger, like a person in the background or a big object, increase the brush size to cover more area quickly. Choosing the right brush size will help you get cleaner and more natural-looking results. Next, carefully brush over the object you want to remove. You don't have to be perfectly precise, but try to cover the entire object. Once you release your mouse or stop brushing, Canva AI will automatically analyze the surrounding area and intelligently fill in the space. In just a few seconds, the unwanted object should disappear and blend into the background. If the result doesn't look perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can simply brush over the area again to refine it. Sometimes using a slightly smaller brush for touch-ups helps smooth out any visible patches. Canva's AI works by sampling nearby pixels, so results tend to look more natural when the surrounding background is consistent. Once you're happy with the result, simply click Apply. Your edited image will now update on the canvas. From here, you can continue designing, add text, adjust colors, or export your image by clicking Share and then Download. And that's how easy it is to remove objects from photos in Canva using Canva AI's Magic Eraser tool. No Photoshop, no complicated selections, and no advanced editing skills required. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva AI tutorials, design tips, and step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.